March 2nd, 1998 and December 11th, 1994 soul tie analysis. Pisces Sun, March 2nd, would likely touch your nodes or Chiron, opening wounds around confusion, boundaries, or illusions. With your Neptune and node squares, their Pisces energy could amplify the illusion/spiritual confusion karmic lesson. You may feel pulled into their world, enchanted, but sometimes not sure what's real. This makes them feel karmic in the sense of testing your clarity, trust, and ability to ground yourself. Soulmate dynamics. Pisces is naturally compassionate and intuitive. If their Venus or Jupiter, which for March 1998 lands in Aries, Aquarius depending on date, touches your node, this could activate soulmate markers like Venus trine node or Jupiter sextile node. That would feel like support, inspiration, and emotional safety, helping you grow spiritually while still being anchored. Because you already carry Neptune square node plus Neptune trine Chiron, anyone born around March 2nd, 1998, a strong Pisces placement plugs directly into your twin flame axis. They could embody that exact illusion plus healing push-pull signature, confusing you and healing you at the same time. If their Venus in Aries hits your Pluto/node combo, that could create the classic Venus-Pluto node twin flame marker, attraction, obsession, and familiarity fused together. Bottom line, a person with March 2nd, 1998 energy in your life would not feel neutral. At minimum, they'd stir karmic lessons about trust, boundaries, and illusion versus truth. They could show up as a soulmate if their Venus/Jupiter aspects your nodes, supportive, uplifting love. They could even carry twin flame potential because their Pisces placements resonate with your Neptune node Chiron signatures, the mirror energy that breaks down confusion but heals at the same time. In short, they're very likely to feel fated for you, either as a karmic teacher, a deep soulmate, or, if multiple aspects line up, even a twin flame mirror. You carry many karmic indicators, so karmic partners will appear often, but you also hold strong soulmate markers reminding you that nurturing love is part of your path. And when Venus, Pluto, Saturn, and Neptune weave together with your nodes, that's the signature of a twin flame. You're not stuck in karmic cycles. Your soul blueprint was written for both healing and the possibility of divine union. This isn't fortune telling. It's your soul's blueprint. See why they entered your life. Comment your birthday first, and someone that you feel drawn to second. And we'll make a soul tie analysis video